Hello, student. I welcome you all in today's session. In today's session, we will discuss about some of the grammatical part, right? In this grammatical part, we will try to understand the types of the sentence. Now, before starting, actually, what is meant by the types of sentences? You must know actually what is meant by the sentence. Now, look at now. The sentence is a group of words that express complete idea. Now here the word complete idea is very essential, because if we are forming the group of the words but they are not arranged in a systematic manner in order to convey the meaning, then that will not be called a sentence. So sentence means a group of words that express a complete idea. This is main thing. Second important is that sentences can be classified in various ways. Okay, and today we have to see the classification of the sentence. So without wasting time, we will try to understand the types of the sentence and their classification. Here we can see now the classification of the sentence. Okay, now the first class or the first type of sentence that we have to discuss today is a assertive sentence. So try to understand what is meant by the assertive sentence. The assertive sentence is also known as a statement. Here it is being given there, you can see now. Now how can we understand this one? We can understand assertive sentence. What is meant by the assertive sentence? We can understand with the help of the definition which is given here. A sentence that makes a statement or assertion is a sentence. Okay, a sentence that makes a statement or assertion is a sentence. The example is being given there. So here you can see now the example. There are many villages in India. So this is simple statement is there. So such type of example, such type of sentences are known as a assertive sentence, or sometimes it is also known as a statement. Now second important type of the sentence is interrogative sentence. So here you can see now the interrogative sentence, it is being given there. It is a sentence that make a question that asks. It is a sentence that asks a question. It is of two types. So look at now. Here in interrogative means a question, right? In this type of sentence, question may be asked there, and as the question may be asked, and therefore what happens, such type of sentences are known interrogative. Now there are two subtypes are there, so we have to understand which are the two subtypes of the interrogative sentence. First is yes no interrogative sentence. Now what is meant by the yes no interrogative sentences? Yes no interrogative sentence, what they are generally begin with helping verb or an auxiliary verb and can be answered by saying yes or no. The example is being given here. So here you can see now what kind of, are you coming with us? Yes. So look at now, this sentence or this question is beginning with the helping verb or auxiliary. Here you can see are, and it is one question, but the expected answer may be yes or no, and therefore it is also known as a yes no type of question. At the end of this question or the statement, you can here you can see now it is ending with the question mark. Next, the type is there that we have to consider in this interrogative is the WH interrogative sentence. Now WH itself will tell you that these sentences will begin with the WH word here, WH word. Now you already know which are the WH word: what, where, who, how many, where. So these are the some of the WH pronoun or interrogative pronouns. Any sentence beginning with this one is known as the interrogative or WH interrogative sentence. right? Now such word are already given here. Here you can see now such examples, you can see who, why, right? And it cannot be answered by saying yes or no, means we have to give the explanation of that particular answer. The example is given there, what is time? Here we can say yes or no answer, we have to mention the exact time. So therefore this is second type of the interrogative question, that is WH interrogative sentence. The third type of sentence that we have to understand today is imperative sentence. Now imperative means what? They will express certain kinds of things, are just like command, request, etc., or sometimes advice may be there. So such type of sentence containing the sense of command, request and other things, such type of sentences are known as imperative sentences. Now it generally begins with the verb. Now here you can see, now this is very important thing, it generally begins with the verb, and the example is being given there. Here you can see, now you can see open your book. Now which is verb here? Open is a verb, and therefore we can say now it is an imperative sentence. The last type of a sentence that we have to understand in today's session is exclamatory sentence. So here you can see, now exclamatory sentence means what? Exclamatory sentence means a sentence which express strong feelings. Here the strong feelings, sudden feelings are expressed in through the some sentences. Such type of sentences are known as the exclamatory. So here you can see, now the example here it is being given. Here you can understand the example, how wonderful river looks, what a shame. Look at now, even though these sentences are beginning with the how and what, but actually they are not interrogative sentences, they are exclamatory sentences, and at the end of the exclamatory sentence you will find such type of marks is there, right? So this is known as an exclamatory mark, and therefore these sentences are expressing the sudden feeling of the or strong feeling of the speakers, and therefore such type of sentences are known as a exclamatory sentences. So okay, so the example is already given here, beginning with the who and beginning with the what. I hope you understood the type of sentences. Now I am giving you few sentences to identify their type. So complete the assignment and send it in my personal number. Thank you.